trying to get like the edge of the 3D part to kind of lightweight for it.
To what?
Like this part right here.
Oh. So you guys, you see here, so you tracing, but not tracing convincingly, will allow you to not get things stacked. So what you need to do is redraw all that. But we're going to do, by redrawing all that, question?
Is there a way to just copy your massing to the next level?
There is, yeah, you can copy and paste it. That's not a problem. But I think it's more important that we maybe see what's below. So this is the one that's a little bit off, right? Now we don't have to totally, so we can go to edit in place. And you see where it's messed up. So if we pick this, you could potentially edit it. Well, I think that's going to move the whole curve. So if we delete that, yeah, it can, but I want to see what's underneath. So what I need to do is, while I'm in the view, and I got to get out of the view. Hold on, get into the. So I'm still a mess. So I'm going to cancel this. So while I'm here in the view, we can change what our underlay is. So what plan are we in right now? Main floor? I mean, ground floor is the underlay. Let me look at your. Did you? Which floor is which?
Ground floor, main floor, second, third. Oh yeah, for some reason the math is hidden. It's saved and when I open it,
It's all right. So first of all, your elevations are all off.
Yep.
I think the easiest, redraw it and trace over the bottom, especially at those curve positions, okay? I mean, you could try to manipulate it, but it's going to be a little tricky, all right? All right. So typically you can array a mass while you're in the edit mode. So I'm just going to go ahead and make a so model, oh, sorry. Sure, let's try it. Now, typically it's not a problem, but so I'm having an issue right now where it is, it's not allowing it. Let me see if I finish it. So I can't be in the edit part, I have to be outside of the part edit. So we can go to, this is like the array button, what do they call it, repeat, but we have a radial one. So we pick it. Now, what you get what you get when you pick it, let me cancel this. So what happens is this is the center of rotation. So it's like in Photoshop, if you guys remember Photoshop has like similar. It works just like Illustrator or Photoshop. You move sort of at center rotation. Now you probably want to set up the geometry if you had a circle where it's supposed to go snap to it. And then we can go ahead and couple things. Click and give the overall angle. And then we can say how many. Or we can say, oh, I don't know why it rotated there. That was weird.
Yeah, that's the problem I'm having is I can't figure out what it's using the
Yeah, for some reason it's defaulting back to what the massing is. So I think in the massing, we have to come back and edit this thing. Yeah, we can't even click array. Definitely having an issue with. Never seen that. I mean, it's the first time I've seen that be an issue. Maybe we found a glitch in this version of 2014. Because you see it, and it's not doing it. It's doing it. It's doing it correctly because our center of rotation is off center.
Right, but I would have expected it to follow that pattern.
Yeah,
Spin around on itself.
I know. Yeah, yeah. It seems like it's having a hard time doing it. Let me see. It's because it's a mass in the. Now I can tell you this will. Let's take away group and associate. So there's center of rotation. Let's hit place. It's the same thing, but they just hit the place. No, it's still doing it. So it's a glitch in the software. So, yeah. So if we just make a conceptual mass, like do it as a conceptual mass, and it's special conceptual mass template. Yeah, it's funny. We don't even. I've never had a problem with the array. Thought it might work okay there, but it's not even. Let's try that again. Let's try to figure this out. Let me pause though. So it seems like there's a glitch. I'll have to look into it and see if we need to update something. If it's truly a glitch or I'm missing something, but it's the way we've always done in the past. If you pick this and go to rotate, you can place the center rotation and see if it gives us an issue now. And say copy and do one at a time.
Okay.
Sorry, I wish I had a better answer, but at least you know that one works. So you have this sort of slope piece. I would do it in elevation. I assume your plan. I mean, this is your lower level. This is the upper level. I mean, you could do the whole upper level because it's pretty straight extruded as an elevation extrude. So if we go to level 1, I'm going to go ahead and set. And say pick. So So I'm going to set that as my work plane and then go to south elevation. Or maybe north elevation, sorry. And I'm going to just draw that by making a massing. So I'm going to go to massing, mass in place, hit OK, and then I'll just go ahead and draw over this. Oh, we lost our. So go here again, set, pick, hit OK. Sorry. Oh, it's a north elevation. Why am I? So I got to pick the top one. Sorry, I was confused. So let me go to set again. Pick a plane. I could just pick that plane here, but let's go to elevation. Set. Pick a plane. So north elevation. So now I'm lined up on that plane. And then I'm just going to go ahead and trace. Well, I'm going to trace this actually with the then go to 3D view. So there it is. And I can say create form. Oops, got to select it first. Create form, and then I'll extrude it to where it snaps to the piece there, hit finish mass. Okay? So now you have the roof geometry. So again, this is like, think about like it's just foam, you know, you're sort of making the chunks and then you're stacking them or whatever. Alright?